Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Son Goku from Dragon Balls. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Let's start with drawing his eyes first. So I'm gonna draw a semicircle to the side for the left eye here and down, and then on this corner I'm gonna draw an oval shape like that and fill that in. And we're gonna mirror that shape for the right eye, like that. And then for his nose, I'm gonna draw in the middle of the eye, right here, a semicircle, like that. And then at the side of his eye, right below, on the right side here, I'm gonna draw a few lines there, 2 lines. And the same goes to the right side. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And then at the sides, we're gonna draw a semicircle down and connect the two together with a curved line. Now for his teeth, I'm gonna draw a short line there and another one below. Same goes on the right side, and then I'm gonna join the two together with a curved line across. And along that line, I'm gonna draw some short line randomly, like that, and there. And then right below the mouth at the side, I'm gonna draw a line downwards like that, and then extend that to the chin, and we're gonna turn it back up and to the sides and up. For his left ear, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at the sides like that, and then above that line, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and then above that, I'm gonna draw a curved line towards the eye, and then go back up and extend that and make a sharp turn back down to the eye, and then go back up. Repeat that again, go down and then go up, and then go down and then go up. And then this time we're gonna change direction, go down and go up, and then we're gonna go back down to the eyes, and then go up and down again, then up. And at this point, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and then I'm gonna draw an oval shape at the sides for the right eye, for the right ear. I'm gonna just redraw that again, like that. And now I'm going to draw his sleeves on the right here, I'm going to draw a small curved line and another curved line to the side. And at that end point, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, like that. And then taking this point here, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards. And then taking this point here, I'm going to draw a slightly more rounder shape, like that, and go to the sides. Now for his right arms, I'm going to draw a curved line outwards, like that, and another one out. And for the arms line below, I'm going to repeat the same shape outwards, and then we're going to connect those two ending point with a curved line. And on top, I'm going to draw a curved line like that, and then another one to the side, and then another one, and extend that downwards. And I'm going to mirror all the above shape on the bottom part. Now for his fingers, I'm going to take this point below and draw a short line there, and then a curved line and a semicircle, and then extend it and turn it up. And then I'm gonna do a smaller line here, and then another one there, and then from this point I'm gonna take it out and up and go back in and up and down, and then from here I'm gonna take it to the wrist. Now I'm gonna repeat that for the left side, but I'm gonna make it from this point here and make a curved line to the side and go down and stop there, and then another curved line down from that point, and we're gonna make a more circular curved line there and another one here. And then from this point I'm gonna do his belt. So I'm gonna draw across a line like that and stop almost in the middle. The same goes to the right side. So what we're gonna do here is a curved line from this point here down and here as well, and then in between of that point I'm gonna draw small curved lines like that, and the same goes to the bottom part. And at the sides we're gonna have those string, I guess. So a curved line there and another curved line at the bottom, and we're gonna connect those two lines with the curved line and add a small curved line in the middle. On the other side we're gonna draw a curved line, this time downwards, but a similar shape to the one we just drawn. So another curved line on this side and join the two together, and a small curved line in the middle. For the lower part of the belt we're gonna draw a similar curved line there and on the right side. And in between here I'm gonna draw a short line there and another one on this side. Now I'm gonna just duplicate the arms on the left here. I'm gonna follow the right arm, a similar shape like that. And then the fingers. And then I'm gonna go back to the collar and draw from the left side of the cheek here and draw a curved line down and to the side and to the center. And then we're gonna mirror that shape on the right side. Now I'm gonna draw a few curved lines for the top part of the outfit, a long one there and a short one here, and then the curved one here, and then another one here. Yep, that's it. And another one here. And now I'm gonna go down to the lower part of his outfit, so I'm gonna draw a curved line here, and then to the side from that point and curve it outwards. Stop there, and from this point I'm gonna do a curved line like that, and another one here, and another one here. For the sides of the leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line there, and then go out and down, up and down, and then go out, extend it further, and make a semicircle, a circular shape, and then go down and two inwards and go up. And then we're gonna do some folds at the bottom of the feet here and there. Below his pants, he have this rubber band of some sort, so I'm gonna draw a curved line across like that. And for his shoes, for the heels, I'm gonna draw a semicircle like that. And then for the front of the shoes, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front and semicircle to the tip of the shoes and go up and to the back of the heels. And then I'm gonna trace the line of the bottom of the shoes and make a thick base below the shoe, and then on top of the shoe I'm gonna draw a curved line here from the back and to the front and there. Now we're gonna copy more or less similar shape for the left side, so we're gonna do some curve to the sides, to the left sides, and there and there. And the same goes to the lower part where the shoe is. I'm gonna repeat the same shape. And then along the pants, we're gonna draw some curved line here, and then another one here, and then below the belt, we're gonna draw a few lines like that, and another one here, and this one here, and there. Now going back up, I'm gonna draw a circle on the right side of his outfit here, and I'm gonna draw the Japanese characters, the writing. I'm gonna just copy that shape. You can just follow how I stroke that. Alright. Now I'm just gonna go straight to the hair from the right side of the ear here. I'm gonna draw a line outwards, a curved line, and back into towards the ear, and then go back out. And then curve back in, and then I'm gonna just go out again, and then go back in, and then go out again, and go back in. Now from this point we're gonna draw a circular shape across like that, and then I'm going to do a curved line outwards again, just like what we did on the left side. Out and in again, and then out again, and then back in and out and in again. In between of those hair, I'm gonna add a few curved line here, another one here, another one here, and another one here. And for his front hair, I'm gonna draw the same thing, a curved line here, and then another curved line here, another curved line here, and in the middle. I'm gonna draw his eyebrow, and I'm gonna draw from this point here a curved line upwards and to the side, and then continuously beyond that hair I'm gonna draw downwards like that, and then go back up, and then continue that again across like that. And at the end of those eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a few lines, 2 lines, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the right side. And a few lines. And for the ears, I'm gonna draw some details inside of the ear. I'm gonna start from here and draw a curved line, a semicircle, and then continue downwards and turn to the side and up. And then from this point I'm gonna do a curved line like that and go down, and then we're gonna continue from that point up to there. And then from this point here I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards and a small line there. We're gonna repeat the whole thing on the right side. Alright? So there we have it, Son Goku.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.